So this is threading the top thread. So you have your sticky up bit, the pin, I don't know what you call it. Here, take your thread along to this little notch. Round this disc, this is what does the tension. Through this little hole. You can see that's what moves up and down with the needle. And then you come down and drop the thread through here. Or at least you do if you're not as clumsy as I am. There we go. And once it's through, you need to wrap it around this teeny little hooky bit. You can barely see it. And then thread from left to right, which I won't do because it'll take me forever.